Jerry, brunch is ready. We're having some leftovers on a protective diet. Come here in here and take a look. I'm cleaning out the refrigerator. Of course, we're starting off with tuber tonic. I baked some corn tortillas into tostadas. I have awesome sauce to top my frittata, which I'm working on a recipe for you guys so that you don't have to pre-cook your veggies in there. It'll be all in one frittata, egg-free, of course. This is the hash browns a la Florentine, but I put the greens on the bottom because I wanted some raw greens today. The black bean and corn summer salad, and we'll scoop them up with our tortillas. I have a little mini yogi bowl just to get my anthocyanin in with my blueberries, some kumquats for DNA protection, strawberries, leftover Brussels sprouts, and I will be putting the awesome sauce on my frittata and on my hash browns a la Florentine. Take care, everyone. I hope you're enjoying your weekend.